Last year, a 14-year-old boy, Joshua Gill, was booked into the Northern Beaches Hospital in Sydney. He died in absolutely tragic circumstances a few days later. The parents went looking for justice, and they found that this hospital, along with another 42 Australian private hospitals, and this is a public private hospital, had been sold to a company operating in the Cayman Islands. It came about because of the takeover by Brookfield of Healthscope. But here's the scoop. Guess how much they sold this thing for? They spent $1.2 billion, the New South Wales government, of our money, building this new hospital, closing down other hospitals, and they sold it to these grifters from the Cayman Islands for zero, for nothing. When I say sell, it's a long-term lease. The government also approved another takeover to these guys from Brookfield, Aveo, a large nursing home and retirement village operator. Those assets are now controlled in Bermuda, another tax haven. And now there's a deal afoot, a mega takeover deal, a $20 billion takeover proposal for Ramsay Health Care. Ramsay is the biggest private hospital operator in Australia, day surgeries, all the medical clinics and so on. $20 billion deal. The buyer is KKR, and KKR is a notorious private equity vulture fund from New York. They are not there, like Brookfield, they are not there for patient care. They are there for profit care. They are there to take care of their profits, subsidised by us, Australian taxpayers, regulated essential monopolies sold to tax havens. Now, we don't know exactly how negligent the Northern Beaches Hospital was, but we have been searching and we found a number of cases of hospital negligence. Is it appropriate that these assets are controlled by foreign tax avoidance merchants who are there for the profits? Now, we're in the middle of a very large investigation here, and both the hospital, Brookfield that own it, the government, everybody is ducking for cover because there is no justification, not even a financial justification, for selling essential monopoly assets to foreign tax avoiders. This must end. We're going to publish this investigation shortly on the website. Thank you for your support. If you don't support us already, throw us a few bucks for a cup of coffee a month on Patreon and share the story. Thank you.